Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome back to another episode. I know it has been a very long time since I posted any content. Life has gotten in the way. There's been a lot of changes in my personal life, but I'm not going to bore you with all those details. I just want to let you know that I'm going to be back in the seat painting again, recording, and adding a lot more content coming up. And to start off, we're going to do some abstract. And so let's just get right into it. So the first thing that you'll notice is that I used a hexagon canvas this time. I went straight in and just started adding blobs of paint. I started off using a permanent rose color on the outside edge and used just some cadmium red in the center part, and then right in the middle there I put one dab of blue. I believe it's the cerulean blue, I believe. Either way, I just mainly used it for a contrasting color and really get that darkness in there. And afterwards I used a dry mop brush to get this flower looking spread in the middle come pop out. So I didn't really know where I wanted to go with this one, so I just kind of ran with it. The only thing I knew I wanted was contrasting colors. So here I went in with some turquoise blue mixed with just a little bit of white to kind of lighten it up and really set it apart from that. It ended up almost making the reds look kind of neon and the blues as well. I just kind of ran with it, and the canvas was really wet because this time around I soaked the back of the canvas as well as the front to really help blend all those colors in together. So now I'm going to go around all the edges with the same color and just kind of make some marks that kind of blend into it. And I'm going to go back in with a comb brush to really get some big details in there, so that way I don't have to do all the individual lines by themselves. The comb brush really takes a lot of the work out of it. So the last thing today is just going through with a fine line brush and just adding in those last lines that I felt it needed. I might add some more later, but I haven't really decided exactly where I'm going to go with this. This is as far as I've gotten, but starting tomorrow, we're going to get going with this content creation. So that's gonna about do it for this episode. If you've been following along, you should have something close to this. I just want to take a second to thank all of you subscribers out there who have stuck around with me, even though I haven't been posting content lately. I really appreciate your patience with me. If you have not, please visit my website. Anything that you buy will goes directly to me, supporting me through all of my endeavors, and I truly greatly appreciate every single one of you. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next episode.